Welcome to episode 10. If you haven't seen the introduction or the previous episodes yet, we recommend clicking the I symbol in the top right corner to watch it first.
Suno liwawa, liseli. Kon liseli. Tasoyam pili tu li pilin pona, loninsa, pilen sin ona.
Mimutili lon ma inle, anu seme, mi pilin sama ni, milon ma suli apika, tansemila, kon liseli mute.
Lon tenpo sike wan ale pinila, ma ale, likama seli mute.
Kasi lili mute, en kasi suli mute, li lon matomo. Lonan pa pi kasi suli mute la, supa monsi suli mute li lon. Kinla, nasintelo, en kiwen, pi panatelo, li lon. Tomo lili mute, li lon poka kasi. Kasi linya lili, en kasi kule li lon sinpin tomo. Ma kasi, li lon supa sewi, pi tomo mute. Nasin suli, li lon poka tomo. Lon poka pi nasin sulila, nasin yan li lon ala.
Mi lukin e ilo tawa mute pisike tu. Taso mi lukin ala e tomo tawa. Tomo tawa, li lon seme?
Tomo tawa, li seme, tenpo pinila, yan li kepeken tomo tawa la. Ona li yaki e kon, li pakala e yan mute. Tenpo nila, yan ale, li kepeken ilo tawa pisike tu, anu poki tawa pian pama.
Yan pi matomo, li sama lukin. Tawa yan tan masuli amelika seli. Selo pi yan mute, li kulema. Yan mute li lukin ala, e yan pili tu. Taso yan, pi mute lili, li lukin e ona tu. Yan meli, en yan lili tu ona, li tawa kepeken noka, lon poka pi yan pili tu. Yan lili ona li luka tawa yan lili pili tan ni. Yan lili li lukin, e len noka insa pi yan lili pili. Yan lili toki e iyo tawa mama ona kepeken toki inli. Nasin pi toki inli, li ante, lon tenpo pi yan elen. Taso yan lili pili li sona, e toki ona.
Mama o lukin, iyo li sehme.
O toki alla, e iyo piyanante, nili ike.
Sin pin lawa, pi yan lili pili, li kamaloye. Ona li toki insa e ni.
Tenpo pinila, mi o weka e len mi pinoka insa samayan ale.
Oh, looking. Nasini li tawa, poki tawa, pian pama.
Lupa li open kepeken tempo ala. Kulupuli kamalon insa.
Tenpo nila, yan liwile ala awen, tawa tomo pi tawa sewi.
Ona li pakalala, yan li wile awen. Taso ona li pakala mute ala.
Lupa li open scene. Kulupuli weka tan tomo pi tawa sewi. Yan pili tuli lukin. Li wile sona e ale.
Milon ampama anu seme, milukin e sewi laso.
Ona li sewi laso ala. Ona li ilo suno, pi selo tomo. Ona li suno, lon tenpo pi meakin. Lon anpamala, tempo ale li suno. Taso yan mute, li wile lukin iselo tomo pi mea, e mun suno. Sama sewi pi mea, pi ma lon. Poki tawa li kamalon.
Lupa li open. Monsi lupa la, poki tawa lili li lon. Kulupu, en yan ante tu, li kamalon insa pi poki tawa. Yan wan li meli, li yo e linya lawa yelo. Ona li lukin wawa ilan noka insa pi yan lili pili. Sin pin lawa pi yan meli, li kamaloye. Ona li kama yo e ilo lili pi lukin sitalen tan poki ona li lukin e ilo ni. Li puma, li lon sin pin pi poki tawa. Nimi awen pi poki tawa, li sitalen lon li puma. Yan pili tu li sona e nimi mute tan ni. Nimi li ante ala, tan tempo sike tu ale pini. Yan elen li luka, e nimi wan.
Lon awen nila, mi weka e poki tawa. Sina tu, o kamalon poka mi, tawa tomo pi siti len tawa.
In the previous episode, we talked about the difference between these two sentences. Recall that in the first sentence, which is not really valid,
lukin
acts as a verb, to see. The expectation is that a direct object will follow the verb, explaining what you see. In the second sentence,
mayuna lukin
acts as an adjective in the sense of old-looking person. When we negate it, it shifts to the opposite, a young-looking person. In this episode, we have a similar example. The people of the city are looking like South Americans. Translating looking like as looking sama is incorrect. Once again, looking acts as a verb and expects a direct object describing what those people of the city see. The correct sentence is,
Yan pimatomo, li sama lukin, tawa yan tan masuli amelika seli.
sama lukin
acts as an adjective in the sense of having the same appearance as, or in other words, they look like South Americans. Try to translate the following sentence. In the recent century, the world warmed up a lot. Remember from our lesson about numbers that 100 is expressed as
ale,
so a century or 100 years in Toki Pona is.
tempo sike ale,
Putting this back into the sentence, you may have translated it like this.
Lon tenpo sike ale pinila ma ale likamaseli mute.
This isn't wrong, but unfortunately, it's ambiguous. This sentence could also be interpreted as, in all the past centuries, the world warmed up a lot. To resolve this ambiguity, we changed the sentence to this.
Lon tenpo sike wan ale pinila ma ale likamaseli mute.
By adding wan, we indicate that the word
ale,
is being used as a number. Now it is clear that the sentence refers specifically to the recent century, not all centuries. Try to translate this sentence into Toki Pona. Many people are not interested in the two Philips, but some people are looking at them. The first part is straightforward.
Yan mute li lukin ala, e yan pili tu.
The second part requires some caution. You might have translated it word by word as,
Taso yan mute lili li lukin e ona tu.
this is incorrect. To change it to some people, or people of small quantity, we need to use P.
Taso yan, pi mute lili li lukin e ona tu.
Here's how it works. The part after P is interpreted first as small quantity. Then it applies to yan, giving us small number of people or some people. Final note about the translation of this sentence. They go in with two other people. The word with, in the sense of doing something together with someone else, is typically translated as
lon poka,
However, very often, the phrase that identifies whoever or whatever is taking part in the action already includes P. Here is an example. He is going with his students.
ona li tawa, lon poka piano na pi kama sona.
To resolve this issue, instead of saying he is going with his students, we can rephrase it as he and his students are going together. Same meaning, but easier to translate.
Ona, enyano na pi kama sona, li tawa.
Applying the same idea to our example, we get,
Kulupu en yan ante tu, li kamalon insa pi pokitawa.
okay, it's time to watch the episode again, because right after, we've got a movie to catch.
Suno li wawa, li seli. Kon li seli. Taso yan pili tu li pilin pona, lon insa pi len sin ona.
Mi muteli lon ma inle anu seme, mi pilin sama ni, mi lon ma suli apika, tan semila con li seli mute.
Lon tenpo sike wan ale pinila ma ale likamaseli mute.
Kasi lili mute, en kasi suli mute, li lon matomo. Lonan pa pi kasi suli mute la, supa monsi suli mute li lon. Kinla nasintelo, en kiwen pi panatelo, li lon. Tomo lili mute, li lon poka kasi. Kasi linya lili, en kasi kule li lon sinpin tomo. Ma kasi li lon supa sewi pi tomo mute. Nasin suli, li lon poka tomo. Lon poka pi nasin sulila, nasin yan li lon ala.
Mi lukin e ilo tawa mute pisike tu. Taso mi lukin ala e tomo tawa. Tomo tawa, li lon seme?
Tomo tawa li seme a tenpo pinila yan li kepeken tomo tawala. Ona li yaki e kon li pakala e yan mute. Tenpo nila yan ale li kepeken ilo tawa pisike tu anu poki tawa pian pama.
Yan pi matomo, li sama lukin. Tawa yan tan masuli amelika seli. Selo pi yan mute, li kulema. Yan mute li lukin ala, e yan pili tu. Taso yan, pi mute lili, li lukin e ona tu. Yan meli, en yan lili tu ona, li tawa kepeken noka, lon poka pi yan pili tu. Yan lili ona li luka tawa yan lili pili tan ni. Yan lili li lukin, e len noka insa pi yan lili pili. Yan li lili toki e io tawa mama ona kepeken toki inli. Nasin pi toki inli, li ante, lon tenpo pi yan elen. Taso yan lili pili li sona, e toki ona.
Mama o lukin, io li sehme.
O toki alla, e iyo piyanante, nili ike.
Sin pin lawa, pi yan lili pili, li kamaloye. Ona li toki insa e ni.
Tempo pinila, mi oweka e len mi pinoka insa samayan ale.
Oh, lukin. Nasini li tawa, poki tawa pian pama.
Lupa li open kepeken tenpo ala. Kulupu li kamalon insa.
Tempo nila yan liwile ala awen, tawa tomo pi tawa sewi.
Ona li pakalala, yan li wile awen. Taso ona li pakalamute ala.
Lupa li open scene. Kulupu li weka tantomo pitawa sewi. Yan pili tuli lukin. Li wile sona e ale.
Milon ampama anuseme, milukine sewi laso.
Ona li sewi laso ala. Ona li ilo suno, pi selo tomo. Ona li suno, lon tempo pi mea kin. Lon anpamala, tempo ale li suno. Taso yan mute, li wile lukin iselo tomo pi mea, e mun suno. Sama sewi pi mea, pi ma lon. Pokitawa li kamalon.
Lupa li open. Monsi lupa la. Pokitawa lili lilon. Kulupu en yan ante tu. Li kamalon insa pi pokitawa. Yan wan li meli. Lio e linya lawa yelo. Ona li lukin wawa ilan noka insa pi yan lili pili. Sin pin lawa pi yan meli. Li kamaloye. Ona li kama yo e ilo lili pi lukin sitalen tan poki ona li lukin e ilo ni. Li puma. Lilon sin pin pi pokitawa. Nimi awen pi pokitawa, li sitalen lon li puma. Yam pili tu li sona e nimi mute tanni. Nimi li ante ala, tan tempo sike tu ale pini. Yan elen li luka, e nimi wan.
Lon awen nila, miweka e pokitawa. Sina tu, o kamalon poka mi, tawa tomo pi siti len tawa.